Okay guys, welcome back to the channel. In the last video I told you about all the problems I had with the rear rim. Well, I found one on eBay the same size as my rim with the same 36 spoke pattern, and as luck would have it, the same spoke nipples, the same diameter, and the same thread pitch. So finally the rear rim is done, and as you can see they have some new tires on them. Those are Kenda Trackmaster tires. They are also known as K760s, and they are looking good. And now we can move on. Now my next step on this bike is going to be the shocks. Now the front shocks are not too bad. I've seen a lot worse. We got some rust going on. We're going to be replacing the seals, new dust covers, a lot of wire wheeling, and some sanding, possibly paint, possibly powder coating. I haven't decided which yet. Now as far as the rear shocks go, I have worked on these a little bit. I cleaned them up. I did have to replace one of them. One of them was damaged. I found a match on eBay. So as far as the rear shocks go, they are good for now. So let's get these front shocks off and enjoy. Let's get to it. Alright guys, I got this halfway apart and cleaned up a little bit. I'm going to throw this back together again so I can get the bottom bolt out. The bottom bolt is a 6mm Allen head. Okay guys, I got the shock all apart. As you can see, I did soak the 6mm bolt last night with penetrating oil, and I did give it a little heat with a heat gun, so it made taking it out a little easier. I mean, who knows the last time that thing's been out. Got a lot of work to do on this. Got a lot of rust removal, and on this and on the lower half here. It's also going to need some paint or some powder coating. Haven't decided yet. So I'm going to end the video here, guys. So you ride safe, and thanks for watching.